One of the most eye-opening moments for me is when I add that first light into the scene and really start to see the different surfaces, see the qualities, see what's happening with that model. It's a really fascinating feeling that I just love doing, and it's a great way to add emotion and mood to a render. Hey everyone, I'm Derek Elliott, and I am super passionate about 3D Blender in particular. I've been using it for a very long time to create product animations, investment-seeking presentations, and I also am so passionate about it that I like to teach it to people. If you're interested in ever getting freelance work or getting your work featured on a forum like ArtStation or Behance, then having really good lighting and really good materials are going to be a key path to getting you there. Materials can also be particularly intimidating, where maybe you've seen a hyper-realistic material and you might think someone spent hours creating it when realistically they just added a few image textures. So we're going to cover a lot of topics today. In particular, just to name a few, we're going to learn about HDRI lighting. We're going to learn how to rotate an HDRI. We're going to learn about area lights, controlling the spread of those lights. We're going to play with the color of lights. We're also going to play with materials. We're going to learn about making metal materials. We're also going to learn about transmissive materials, how you can make glass objects. We're also going to learn about subsurface scattering, how you can make skin-like materials and rubbers. And as always, we'll wrap things up with my preferred Blender settings, the way I like to set up my renders for professional results that don't take too much time. Lighting materials is something that is very exciting to me. I'm super passionate about it. Thanks for deciding to take this class. Let's get started.